Welcome back to Rhythm Guitar Book 3. This book takes a deep dive into all sorts of movable chord shapes. We're on page 70, and in this lesson we're going to combine your movable E minor 7 shape with dominant 7 shapes and minor chords. You can watch all these videos for free, but it's going to be a lot easier to learn if you have your own copy of Rhythm Guitar 3 that you can read from and write in, plus you can help support a music teacher, so I'll leave a link in the description. On page 70, we have number R92, this minor 7 flat 5 to dominant 7 to minor etude. We begin with a C minor 7 flat 5 using the E minor 7 flat 5 shape that you learned in the previous lesson. Now the root of that C is going to be on the 6th string at the 8th fret, and from there just form your E minor 7 flat 5 shape. Next we're moving to an F7 and we're going to use the C7 shape. Now our closest root for our F7 is right here at the 8th fret. Again, C7 shape. And we're using the C7 shape rather than the A7 shape because we can use a guide finger. So C minor 7 flat 5, first finger from that chord just has to slide 1 fret lower to be in place for the F7. So you use that guide finger. And then we have a B flat minor using the E minor chord shape. Our B flat minor on the 6th string will be at the 6th fret and form your minor chord. So all together, that first line, C minor 7 flat 5, slide first finger over to the F7, and then your B flat minor. From there, we're going to be doing that same move over and over again, just starting on a different fret position. So line 2, we have a B flat minor 7 flat 5. Just place that root on the B flat on 6th string, 6th fret. Slide your first finger over to be in place for the E flat 7. And then you're pretty much right where you need to be for this A flat minor, which is at the 4th fret. Line 3, G sharp minor 7 flat 5. Remember, A flat and G sharp are on the same fret. They're enharmonically the same. So from that root note, form your minor 7 flat 5 chord. Slide your first finger over for the C sharp 7. And again, you're pretty much where you need to be for this F sharp minor. As a matter of fact, third finger is going to be on the same fret. Line 4, same move over and over again. This time we're starting on a B minor 7 flat 5. That's going to be on the 6th string, remember, for our root. That's going to be at the 7th fret, so that's where your root note goes. Slide your first finger over for the E7. And then you're pretty much where you need to be for the A minor at the 5th fret. Line 5, A minor 7 flat 5, use that same root note, just change the 2nd finger so you can play the minor 7 flat 5 chord. First finger slides over for the D7, and then G minor at the 3rd fret. Last line, G minor 7 flat 5, so same root note you just ended on, just switch so you're on your 2nd finger now on that root. First finger slides over for the C7. And then we have this nice low big F minor at the 1st fret. Practice cycling through these chords a few times, and then when you're ready, go ahead and play through the exercise. As always, easy pace, easy strumming. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide your finger over. Slide your finger. Up to your B. Your assignment is to practice the exercise on page 70. And don't forget to order your own copy of Rhythm Guitar 3. The link is in the description. Take your time with this, and then when you're ready, I'll see you on page 71, where we're going to look at the movable A minor 7 chord shape.